Hi, this is Donna from the Masquerade, and I'm going to tell you a little trick. These are applique scissors, and they have a paddle on them that goes on the bottom, and a regular blade that goes on the top as you're cutting away an applique. The paddle helps protect the fabric that the applique is on, and they cut like a normal pair of scissors. This is a bear from Jamie's Fund. We sew on the hearts with little scraps of fleece, odd-shaped fleece, and then we trim them to make them into real hearts. And it's fleece, so it doesn't fray or ravel, so you can trim it as close as you can to the stitching. And the paddle on the back of my scissors helps protect the bear, and I can just trim around it like this, and this is how it works. Getting in the corners might be a little tight. I go back and do a little more on that trimming, but I can pretty much get around this quickly with these applique scissors. I can get in the corners. This time I'm going to put the tip in, but I've got to be very careful not to cut the actual bear. And there you have it, a trimmed Jamie's bear heart. I don't know if you can see it better with red. Let's try red. And you can see sometimes we use a square, sometimes we use a scrap piece of fleece that's a weird shape. So every one of these hearts that the bears get are unique to the bear and to the person who sewed it. Some people like to sew fat, wide hearts, and some people like to sew tall, skinny hearts. So depending on who sews the heart on, it shows differently on each bear. And I get into that point. And there you have it.